Good afternoon, everyone. Google stock price predictions using deep learning. I am the author and presenter Kifayatullah, supervisor Dr. Mohammad Qasim, Iqra National University, Peshawar, Pakistan. Paper ID 34, 2020 IEEE International Conference on System Engineering and Technology. Our presentation consists of the following introduction, related work, proposed methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. Our research topic consists of the following three headings: Google stock price, prediction, and deep learning. Our research based on Google stock price, we use previous information and try to predict the future. The area of research is deep learning algorithm. Stock price is the company issues shares of the stock financial asset to the investors. If a company earning its rise its stock price, and if the company performing poor, decline the stock price. The stock Google stock splits into three classes: class A, class B, and class C. Google. Let's discuss these three things in classes. Class A is the investors and held by the publicly 1 vote per share. Class B held by the founders and have 10 votes per share. Class C are actually the workers and held publicly no vote for rights. Our research based on prediction. Prediction is the statement for future events, forecasting prediction, give the benefits and reduce the chances of loss. Data mining. Data mining, discovering useful patterns from large data set. Our proposed work, we proposed a better model for data mining and get the better results. Deep learning, our research based on deep learning. Deep learning is the machine learning in the AI. Machine learning involves different algorithms. These algorithms are ANN, CNN, RNN, etc., etc. These algorithms are used for image processing, decision making, classification, and predictions. Our related work, these are the three papers. The following three papers are our best papers in our research: reference number 2, reference 9, and reference 10. Reference number 10 is actually we started from this. Actually we reviewed the following papers. There are about 35 to 40 papers we reviewed for this research. The papers we reviewed is based on the methodology, different kind of algorithms, different research about ANN, CNN, and RNN, different production methods, different data mining methods. And we also reviewed papers related to the different stock exchanges. Why we choose this research work? This research work, we need an enhanced method. We need a sufficient algorithm to use for stock price prediction. Need to propose data mining easy and fast methods, and propose an algorithm that is fast for data retrievals and generating prediction. The existing research, reference number 10 is need more improvement. Existing research reference number 10 obtained an accuracy of 58% score of the stock movement. They took the data sets from the GitHub. RNN and CNN and different, already we discussed in our literature review. Different papers we reviewed is ANN, CNN, and RNN. Our proposed work, we use RNN in our deep learning algorithm. RNN is the most powerful, popular deep learning supervised algorithm used for a lot of decision making. And this research work, we used recurve RNN for our research. RNN is based on short-term memory using deep learning, feed forward and always and as well as feed backward connections. We have predicted upward and downward trends exist in the Google stock price. Our methodology consists of the following flowchart. Our proposed methodology flowchart start from import of the data analyze, data wrangling, visualization, feature scaling, data structure RNN, results validation, accuracy score losses, and data visualization, prediction, and exit. The methodology, the proposed work consists of the following these steps: data sets. The data sets, we collect the data sets from the Kaggle and train, that is including from the year 2012 to 2016. We train our model data structure and then applied on first 2 months of 2017. Tool application, we use a Jupyter Notebook for as a tool for our research work. Data analyze, maximum means maximum, minimum values, the total number of rows included in our data sets. Data wrangling, data cleaning, unnecessary values, removing unnecessary values, that is null values, etc., etc. Data visualization, graphically represent the whole data by using metal plates, Burn libraries, etc., etc. Feature scaling, to remove or fitting on the feature scaling, and using standardization and normalization. In our research, we use the normalization. Data structure, we use a specialized data structure, that is RNN, in our research work. After that, we visualize that prediction, and we compare our results with the previous work. The result validation and comparison results in the existing research, and also investigate the performance of our research. Step number 1, data sets and tools. We get the data set from the Kaggle, that is reference number 41. Kaggle is a scientific group of people where data is openly available for the researchers. This data set contains of Google stock price or data from 2012 to 2016, and the tool we used is Jupyter Notebook. Let's see this this slides. This slide show that we import the data set by using the following libraries: Pandas, NumPy, MetalLab, Math, Cburn. We imported the only 5 for visualization. These 5 rows 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 5 rows we imported. Data visualization and data analyzing. We analyze after we imported the data, just 5 rows for to see which kind of data in this results. If we see that date, open, high, low, close, and volume. Date, the date of the recorded data, open, the price when the stock market is open, high, the highest price of on that date, low means the lowest price at that date, close means the stock exchange close at that date, and volume, the total sale of stock market at that date. The following results, if you see that the below figure shows the statistical results of our data sets. This show counts means how many rows are in there, 12,078 total count. We find the means, which is 537, standard deviation 154, minimum value which will need in the graph presentation is 279, 25%, 50%, and 75%. Similarly, the maximum will also help in the graph, which is 837. Data description. Data description shows the total number of rows and columns, which is 1258. We actually see the all the 6 columns, that is data, open, high, low, close. All the rows represent 1258 rows in each of the column. After we remove the missing values and clean the data, we applied the heat map. Heat map actually shows that there is no missing values. If you see that the color, the whole color of this heat map is red, this means that there is no missing values in our data set. For duplication, we applied the data cleaning. If you see that no duplicate values, if you see that data open, high, low, all the values are 0, means that there is no duplication in the entire data set, which is 2012 to 2016, and we will apply to train our model. Visualization of real stock of first 2 months of 2000. This is the real graph of the Google stock price. The maximum is 840 and the minimum is 780. If you see that the time slots 2.5, 5.0, 7.5, 10.0, and 12.5, etc. 2.5 actually represent 3 days. We actually going to predict the 60 days, means first 2 months of 2016. So this is the actual graph of the Google stock price. This is the data structure RNN. This data structure shows that the total number of inputs, there is 2 inputs layers, and these are the hidden layers, and this is the output layer. Move forward. Classification result. We applied the data set that is 2012 to 2016 and train our data structure. If you see this table shows that we input the data to our data structure. That produces 71,051 total parameters, and all the parameters are trainable, means trainable, and non-trainable is 0, which means that there is no dropout in our model. After train our model, we applied the prediction for the next 2 months of 2017, the first 2 months of 2017, that is January and February. If you see that the graph, the red line represents the actual Google stock, and the blue line represents the predicted line, which is quite, both are near, and no much less difference in between in these graphs. This is the red line actually shows the actual the real stock, and the blue line shows our predicted. After that, we calculated the accuracy using RMS, the following formula, RMS formula for our, and we test score got 12.6. RMS means RMS means the error is 12.6 here. And if we subtract this from 100, we will get the accuracy which is 87.32. Comparison of our research work with the previous work. And the previous work, 2018, they got the data set from the GitHub, and they used an algorithm of ANN and got the accuracy of 58%. In our proposed work, we get the data set from the Kaggle, and we apply an algorithm of RNN and got the accuracy of 87.32. Which is quite that our model and our algorithm is quite good, and hence and also got an better accuracy in this results. Thank you, everyone.